Hello and welcome to your channel English with Hassan. This channel is for anyone who wants to learn English from the very beginning. Don't worry if you know nothing yet. We will start step by step, slowly and clearly. Together, we will learn simple words, useful sentences, and easy grammar. You will also practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing in a fun and friendly way. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult. With practice, patience, and the right lessons, you will see progress every day. So join me on this journey, and let's start learning English from scratch.
So let's see these sentences in the negative form. So what is the negative form of is? If you still remember, so the negative form of is isn't. What's the negative form of can? Can't. And let's see the answers. So Angela, be a clever girl in the negative form. Angela isn't a clever girl. Angela isn't a clever girl. She can play the piano very well. She can't play the piano very well. Can't. So now we have Richard fly to Madrid every weekend. Richard doesn't fly. So when we have a verb, normal verb, so always with he, she, it, we put doesn't. So Richard means he. Richard doesn't fly to Madrid every weekend. And Tom teach English at university. Tom, it means he, so he doesn't. Tom doesn't teach English at university. As we said, in the negative form, the verb remains in the infinitive. The verb doesn't take s, es, or ies.